Welcome back to another edition of Gareth Unboxings. So, we're back with another box, the tokyotreat, which is from Japan. So, let's open it. And it's the premium one, like always. Just do get this out. So let's get into it. And it's the Halloween edition. It's October 2017. You're getting a bit dark in here as well. No. But yeah, it's October 2017. It's the Halloween edition. I like they done it going this way, not this way. So it tells you basically what's in the magazine. So we got the 3 types of snacks. And it just tells you the trio, if you get all 3 of them. It just tells you photo opportunity, stuff like that, photo contest, just a drink. The lucky treat box, which you can win each month. You could be the lucky winner each month. You got other things. Just says, I think it's Dolce. Yeah, that's how we say it. And maybe that's what we got in our little bag thing. We get every month, and that's other people who added it and took pictures. Well, last, I think it was the last month or the month before or something like that. But maybe that's what, like a bag we have and don't tell us. Maybe that's what that is. So, closing. This is too far. Here we are. And here we are. A horror mask. There's just a mask and some candies. Let me read it while we're doing it. So, on a mask, get spooked with this tasty apple mint snack. A blood colored may come through a scary DIY paper mask that you can complete your Halloween costume. Mint. Or maybe they are mint. But no, the mask would be mint. But that's mint. Pretty cool. No. There you go. Looks like apple things, apple crisps, apple chips type things. There we go. And they are sweet potato and apple chips, which are crisps, not chips. Chips in America and some other countries, and crisps over here in other countries. So let's get into the next thing. Next thing we got is cocoa sandwich. I don't know, it looks like noodles with chocolate. I don't know. They are new Mont Blanc. It's creamy chestnut with white chocolate. That picture does not look like what it describes. Sorry about the lightning, it's just sunny outside, and if I turn that on, it doesn't really help. See? Doesn't really help. So next thing we got is corn stew rice crackers. I'm guessing. I literally can't find them. I literally can't find these. They are not on this. Maybe the Dutchy box. No, don't think so. I don't know. No. So what else we got? Next thing we got is wax paper. Wax paper you eat. Wax paper you eat, I think. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the mask is in your regular box. The apple is in your regular box. The mask is in your regular and premium. Your apple snacks are in your regular and premium. Your chocolate sandwiches are in your regular and premium, and these would be in your premium. I forgot to mention that. Sorry, guys. Next thing we got is a fishy bowl. I'm guessing, I think it's sour flavour, I'm not quite sure. This is in here as well. So I'm guessing they've got to put the Dutchie mix in a bag. So, but looking at the picture of the Dutchie mix, it shows we get them, I think. Shows we get them. 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 But it does not show anything about this. So I wonder if they put this instead of something else. So I'm not quite sure on the flavour on this one. But I'm guessing, hang on, there's a picture up there. Look like cucumber soup. Look like a cucumber and soup. So I'm guessing cucumber soup. Maybe. I don't know. Next thing we got. Seems like everything is stuffed in. Next thing we got. I think I had this kind of thing before. It's like a paste and then the red bean flavour. Yeah, it's chestnut. You can enjoy it with cream and green tea. It is in your regular and premium. And this thing is in your all three boxes. This is in your small, your regular, and your premium. So yeah, this is a chestnut like paste bar. That's what I'm getting from there. So next thing we get. Next thing we got. It looks like some stickers. It says zombie make a gun. So I don't get what that means. So let's have a look, shall we? There we go, it's stickers and gum. So let's get into another item. I can't feel anything, just feels like a Dutchie bag. Next thing we got is, I'm guessing it's squid. Don't know what flavour squid is gone. Most of these are in like different flavours, so it's a squid, but dry squid, but I don't know what flavour. And this is not on it yet. They must forgot to put the Dutchie bag in it, and I don't know which. I think it's that. That tells you right here. So it's not the same one as in the picture, but it's different. I see ban, ban, ban. I don't know. But it seems like they forgot to put the Dutchie bar, like all that stuff in a bag, which they mostly do. For the last couple of, like, 3 months now, they have put it in there. So, next thing we got. Oh, we had these before. We had these probably like 5 times now. They are Ramouillet and Juridic the end and Stamp Bear, as you can see in the picture on there. I wonder if this is from the Dutchie box or it's meant to be in here. And it seems this is in the Dutchie box. So, it says 5, so we had 3 items now. This is the 4th one. It should be 1 more. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shows 6 pictures on the Dutchie part, but it says 5 on here, so either 5 or 6, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4. This is its 4th one. Oh, they're just giving me extras. Next thing we got. Oh, we had these in the last box. I think it was box from Japan. Or Tokyo Treats. Not Tokyo Treats. Japan crate or box from Japan. And they are gums. And they are not on here, so they are Dutchie. Or whatever it's called. So next thing we got is this. I think I made this before. And it's a like jelly drink. This would be in your premium. There we go, fizzy jelly, or bubbly jelly, and it tells you a bit more. There we go. Tells you by hand, no pictures. So, I think this, I had this before, I'm not sure if it was grape flavour or a different flavour, but it was actually quite nice. So, next thing we gonna grind is, I picked that out when I was on the what? Is a zombie dog picture. Next thing, oh, it's like pretzels with chocolate in them. And I'm sure this is one of the things they said is featured items. Let me check. Yeah, the trio. Let's see if I can find all 3 out. Yep. Next thing, that one feels too big. And there we go. Oh. Just fall off the edge. So, there we go. I'll tell you what things that come in. This one is for all 3 boxes. No, wrong picture. There we go, and it says features now. There we go. This one would be in your regular and premium. There we go. This one would be in your premium. So if you get your premium, you get all 3. And if you get the other ones, you get regular, you get both. And if you get the small, you just get one. So there we go, guys. These are quite nice, these aren't they? Really nice. It's like a pastry with chocolate in the middle. I never tried them heated up. I might try one heated up. So let's get into the next item of the box. I can feel the packaging. It was a wonders and loss. And I had these before, they are actually quite nice. Grape flavours. And you would get these in your premium. So there we go, guys. Next thing we got is avocado. No, that's avocado and cheese. Avocado and cheese, I don't know. So, let's have a look. And you would be in your small and basically in your regular as well. So everything you get in your small, you get in the regular as well. And everything you get in your regular, you get in your premium. So if you get premium, you get small, regular, and premium. If you get regular, you get small and regular. And if you get small, you just get small. But this is avocado and cheese potato snacks. There we go. Next thing we got, and I think is the last thing, is a jelly melon drink, and it's quite nice. You shake it to break it all up, and it's actually a quite nice soda. Might not sound nice, but this is in your premium. There we go. Every month in your premium you get a drink. So, just to